Hello guys, welcome to my channel Roaming Devi. Today as usual it is a weekend. I wanted to prepare something quick because I have a corporate work to do today, so I could not go out. You can see this beautiful bright sunny day after almost I'd say 10 days. It was very cloudy, very cold in Cape Town, South Africa. Right now the temperature is really nice, but unfortunately I missed this opportunity because I have some really urgent corporate work which I need to do. So I was really occupied also. So in the meantime I thought to prepare a quick recipe and also thought to share this video to you so that you guys can also prepare this quick recipe which I mentioned in my title, that lemon rice. Okay, so I'll come to that quickly. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button on my channel. And my channel is not a food blogging channel, it's mostly travel and everything, but I also share my day-to-day lifestyle sometimes when I get time actually. Okay, so as usual, if you are new to my channel and you don't understand English, whatever I speak, whether might be you are a Spanish person or a French person, anywhere in the part of the world, as usual YouTube has given that option. You can go to the settings, you just go right hand side, there is a settings button, you click that, then it is going to show you the allowed languages which you can hear. Let's say you can select Spanish, or let's say you selected Hindi, then automatically whatever I'm speaking in English, it is going to convert it into the language of your choice. Okay, that's a fantastic feature YouTube has given. But the only disadvantage which I found is if I'm playing any background music in my blog, that is not coming very nice actually. So if you are really keen to understand what I say within music, obviously I can't help it, but you can read my captions which I am going to convert it. It will take some time to create those captions in English, or else you just switch on to the audio track, select your preference language which you wanted to listen, you can follow this. Okay, I hope you have already done that before I'm going to proceed. That's the reason I'm not doing this blog in Hindi actually like last time, because it was a nightmare for me to create all those English words into Hindi, creating a caption in English whatever I speak in Hindi. So it is a very time consuming work. So that's the reason, because it is a quick recipe I'm going to prepare for you, and I'm going to show you the rice, lemon rice. So that's the reason I given all these inputs. You can change your audio track. Okay, let's come back to my real idea behind this blog, which is the lemon rice. Okay, now you guys must be thinking of how a rice is, how rice can be with a lemon rice, something very funny, right? If you're not from India, it sounds very funny actually, right? Because lemons normally used in various cocktails, used in various alcohols, we use in various drinks, lemon water, so we use all these things actually. But what is this strange lemon rice? Lemon rice is a very, very famous authentic food of down South India. Although I'm not a southern part of India, but I really love that recipe whenever I feel to eat it. And the good thing is it is very quick, and a person like me who's staying in abroad and alone doing all the work apart from your day-to-day schedules, corporate job, bloggings, all other work, I need to have sometimes a quick recipe which can fill up my stomach with a beautiful mouth-liquoring taste. And at the same time I'm sharing it so that you can also prepare and share your thoughts and comments if you like this recipe. Okay, so let me go back to my kitchen. This is my beautiful kitchen in Cape Town, and I have seen some of the people really admire that you have a very nice house, a nice kitchen, blah blah blah. So that is fine, it's fine, it's beautiful houses are in Cape Town. So let me share you the beautiful recipe of lemon rice. Okay, just before that, I saw in my last video, I don't know whether you have seen that or not, the last video was about this pulao, actually vegetarian pulao, where one of the subscriber, she asked me what rice you're using. So for this lemon rice, you can choose any rice actually of your choice. You can use basmati, you can use sela rice, brown rice, as per your wish. There is no restriction. Specific like biryani pulao, yes, there are basmati rice is having gives a good flavor, but for lemon rice, anything you can choose. So this time I'm going to show you in this video what rice I'm going to use for the lemon rice. Let me show you that. So this is the rice which I'm using. This is the sela basmati rice. It's like a extra long rice grains, and this I am using it, which I'm getting it in Cape Town. So this is the rice which I'm going to use it. Okay, so the rice I have already boiled it and I kept it here somewhere here. Actually, I kept it here. So I'm going to prepare the lemon flavor actually, where at the end I'm going to show you how the rice is going to be used. Okay, so let me show you the ingredients which I'm going to use for a lemon rice. It is very quick and very easy. So in lemon rice, the most important part is lemon, which is this. You can see this is a big lemon, which I get it in Cape Town. And the second most important part is rice, because lemon rice. Okay, but to give these two items give a good flavor, there are 3-4 other items needed, which I'm going to show you now. So now to prepare the lemon rice, I have taken kind of a 1 spoon or 2 spoon of black gram, which is called the black lentil. I have also taken this one, the broken chickpeas, or I can say the Bengal gram, a little 1.5 spoon of Bengal gram, based on for a single person it's enough for us. And you can see the mustard seed. And I have taken this one, I can say this is the red chili, but it's up to you. You can even add more than one. For me, it is sufficient. So these are the most important 4 ingredients here. Apart from that, obviously, I will have the turmeric powder, which I'm going to show you, and obviously salt and everything will be part of my the preparation. Apart from this, there is also need of this chopped garlic and some peanuts, just to give a nice additional flavor. And this is the curry leaves, which is also important. Okay, these 3 things is also important for a lemon rice. So this you can use it. I'll tell you when to use. These are also one of the important ingredient for a lemon rice. So let me start the preparation for the lemon rice, and it's almost 3:30 now. So let's see how much time it takes to prepare a lemon rice. Okay, only thing is rice is already boiled, which might add another 7 to 8 minutes based depending on the rice what you've selected, or else I'll start the preparation. Let's see how quick it is. Okay, so this is my aluminum container already. Let me switch on the burner. Let me add whatever oil you prefer. I add this sunflower oil little bit. Okay, 2 spoons is fine for me, or I can add a little bit more to give it a good flavor. So let's wait for the oil to get little bit heat. So the oil is almost heat. Let me test it by putting little bit mustard. Yes, it's all good. So let me add slowly the mustard seeds first. Okay. Now let it get little bit heat just for a few seconds. Just I put the burner little bit in medium flame, and then I can add this black gram, okay, which is also going to give nice flavor and taste. I'll just little bit mix it up. Okay, little bit medium flame. Yeah, now I'm adding it here, this black gram. Then I will add this broken chickpeas, or I can say Bengal gram, into that. Okay, wow, already the smell is coming nice. Right, so let it get little bit burn for some time. Then I can put this red chili in the meantime also. Okay, so let it get heat for some time. Just it needs to be little bit brownish, those Bengal gram, or I can say the broken chickpeas. Just reduce the flame also, otherwise the things will not be great. Now to this I will add the groundnuts, which I shown you that time. So let me add this. This will be little crunchy when you put into the fried oil. Yes, this is going to be awesome. Okay, little bit I'll make the burner not very high, not even very low, just in between that medium or in between medium and low, so that it should not get burned. So now I can add the the ginger, chopped ginger pieces which I've shown you. Let me mix it. Okay. If I want, I can even cover also. If you wish to, you can cover it for some time to make it quick, but it is not recommended. So you can see it's almost looking like brownish in color, little bit reddish, and you can see the red chili is almost dark. So it's time for us to add those curry leaves. Although I don't have very fresh curry leaves, I just manage whatever I have left over in my fridge. So I've used that for my lemon rice. Once you add the curry leaves, it gives almost a beautiful aromatic smell. That's what the wonder of this curry leaves. So you can see it is little bit taking time, so that it can mix up properly the garlic with the chopped garlic which I've already and put it there. So that can also mix uniformly and gives a nice smell. Already I'm getting that. So it's almost 10 minutes over till now, whatever I prepared. So let me add a little bit important thing to give a good flavor, which is the turmeric powder. I'll just add 1 spoon, more than enough actually. Okay, but sometimes people also put very less turmeric powder. It depends on their taste. For me, 1 spoon teaspoon is fine for me for a 1 bowl of lemon rice. So let me add that and show you. Let me add this much turmeric powder is fine for me. That is okay. Little bit I can add, little bit, not more. Yeah, otherwise it will be bitter in taste. Yeah. So now I can mix it properly. I can put little bit water also, because it's getting burned actually, little bit, just to, yeah, that's it, so that it should not get burned. Sometimes it happens depending on the utensil what you use actually. So I prefer to add little water just to keep everything fresh, otherwise everything can get burned also very quickly. So it depends on if you are using a non-sticky, I can say non-stick utensil, then you need to also have to be very careful when you do this recipe, or else it's fine. I'm using an aluminium kind of utensil. So I can see it's coming nice now. Wow. If possible, I can add little oil if I need to be. I mean, it depends on your choice, just to give a little different flavor into this. Sunflower oil I'm using it. It's up to you, whatever oil you wanted to use, you can use it. So yeah, this looks nice now. Even the aromatic smell is coming nice. So now all the ingredients all done. Just the last step which I'm going to do, that's going to mix the rice. Everything is done now. Just the last step, I just need to mix the rice, squeeze the lemon on top of the rice, mix it properly, stir it properly, and then add little salt based on your taste. Then the lemon rice is all ready. So let me do that. So here is my rice which I have already boiled it. Let me mix into it slowly. Yes, this comes nice. Wow. Let me add little bit, otherwise it is difficult for me to mix up. So let me hold the contents somewhere like this. Just let me mix it properly. Okay. Wow, look at the color, what is coming from this. Wow, and the smell is also absolutely fantastic. The garlic smell is coming, the little bit chili smell is coming, even the lentil smell is also coming. Okay, the 2 varieties of lentil which I have put it. Okay, now let me add the rest of the rices. Let me hold it properly and let me mix this. Okay. Wow, what a flavor it is coming out. Awesome smell. Believe me guys, you prepare it. I mean, if you really don't, I mean, if you like the lemon then and like rice any part of the world, please, only thing is you won't get those specific lentils everywhere. Only thing is you can go to a nearest shop, Indian shop, you can ask those things, then you can get it. In Hindi name it is called urad dal, you can note it down. And in English, the other dal is called the chana dal. These are the two Hindi names for those, I mean to say the green, the black gram which I told, that is the urad dal, and the broken chickpeas or the Bengal gram is the chana dal. Okay, so those two things you can ask to the Indians of nearby too. If you are in US or anywhere in the world where there's an Indian store, you can get this. In Cape Town, now this is an important thing. Let me show you that. This is where the things will come magical. This is the lemon rice which I'm going to add and the lemon into this. Okay, this is how the final step coming out of. You can use a lemon juice if it is ready for you. You can add a lemon juice also, that's also fine. Okay, so this should really comes nice. I can add little bit of lemon, another cut piece was there, so I'll add it. Okay, so now I can add little salt into it based on my taste. So let's say I'm adding it, this much is fine for me, but it's up to you how much salt you want. Obviously, oh sorry, just more now. Anyway, it's okay for me, should be enough, because I was vlogging, so little bit more salt went, but I think it should be fine for me. So this is how the lemon rice is already. So almost 15 minutes over, nearly I'm going to touch now 20 minutes. So don't you think it's very quick? At least in half an hour your lunch, or even if you wanted to have it in dinner also, you can have it. So my lemon rice is all ready. Just give it some time to get the flavor, and then we will wait for another 2-3 minutes, then our lemon rice is all good. So I'm just giving 2-3 minutes more, the lemon rice should be ready, and then I can have my lunch. And you can have the lunch with lemon rice along with the yogurt or curd, whatever you like, or any curries. If you have prepared some curries also, it's fine for you. But for me, yogurt is very simple because I have lack of time. I cannot prepare another dish right now because I have some important meetings to attend also. So if you are in abroad, don't worry. If you're really having a busy schedule, look for this dish, lemon rice, very quick. There are various flavors of lemon rice. If you search in the YouTube, you will get various flavors of this lemon rice. But this one, this is something like it's a very quick for me. So I shown you it is a very quick one. Within 20 minutes, let's say you add another 5, 6 or 7 minutes your preparation of rice. So you can say in half an hour, your lunch is ready. That's it. Okay. So I'll show the end result, how the lemon rice looks on my plate, and then I'll close this vlog. And this is how my lemon rice looks at the end. And you can see I will have this with the raita. I can say the mixture of yogurt, cucumber, as I shown in my last vlog of vegetarian pulao. So this is what the combination looks like. For my lunch today, quick recipe, within half an hour you can prepare it. So finally my lemon rice is all ready. So I'm going to stop this vlog. I hope you have enjoyed this quick recipe, lemon rice in abroad within half an hour, right? So don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video if you really like this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button of my channel. See you in my next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.